My hard drive got full, and so I had to do some stuff. But now we're back to right where we left off. I guess this is kind of a part two almost, but I don't know. I did get back from my death and got my stuff.
And it took a very long time.
I did. All right. Let's go to bed.
She got lost.
Yeah, without my map.
Yep.
And then they came, and then we restarted the video back here. And so, yeah. Okay. Morning. I'm taking my bed. Alright, so let's get back to work on this, right?
So I
Not
filled
ready
in
to
all the
leave.
gravel. See how it's all nice with stone?
Yes.
You left.
I was working on
Actually,
the staircase down. I'm working on the staircase down to the village. Sawyer.
I
So,
found a villager that can trade.
you did?
Need him.
Ooh, we should lock him up and now subscribe. I'm joking.
Nope, I killed him. But look at this. You can watch the war between the llamas.
Does anyone have a name tag?
No, sorry.
Wait, I
Dang it.
think the villager did, but I don't know. I think it costed 5 emeralds.
And we all didn't have like 5 emeralds, so.
How do you make name tags? Can you make name tags?
You cannot make one.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, also, I actually have an iron sword.
Alright, so now we
It's
have a path down to
enchanted
Mount
with
Subscribe.
unbreaking one.
Yay. Okay, I think I need more stuff.
Oh, right now I'm looking for a Clark. Or
Okay.
I think it's a Clark. I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, I need you to put some more, watermelon down.
What? How many do you need?
I just need it all the way to
Okay, there
this
you go.
block. Just that many. Just that many. You place it down.
Oh,
I just need that block. Oh.
there you
What?
go.
My bed was missing. It's 4 out. Broke my bed.
Okay, we will be right back. And this time I'm not in the video.
Run.
Hello?
Oh. Can breathe.
Alright, we're back. That took us long enough. Yeah, that took us like forever. But, so, we're working on this still. After me and Adlai went to go get Sawyer. Alright,
There's watermelons everywhere over here.
I know. Okay, we need more signs.
Don't look at me.
And torches. I'm looking at Sawyer.
Don't look at me.
I'm looking at Sawyer for the torches.
I need a bucket.
I only got 3 freaking iron left. Come on.
Weird. I only have 3 too.
Iron. Wait, where'd all my
Does
iron
someone
go?
have crafting table?
Wait,
Oh
where'd
yes,
all my
Mount
iron
subscribe.
go?
Mm-hmm.
I had 29 iron in my inventory.
You must have died. I must have went to one of our inventories.
Adlai?
Mm.
Anything?
No.
Well, we have a whole wall full of signs.
Crafting bench. Okay, I need to MLG this. If I don't,
Alright.
then all my stuff is gone forever.
It is time for us to put some subscribers on the wall. Okay.
God.
Okay.
Let me look at my list. Okay, list of subscribers going on the wall. I'm going to just write them down. These are also kind of shoutouts. Okay. Your subscriber is. I did. Oh no, I picked up the size. Okay.
So how would I get up?
Jazz B is one of the new.
Jeesby.
Jazz B is one of the new subscribers.
I did it. Well, I MLG'd.
Miles Barron is one of the new subscribers.
Should I play music in the background? Am I
No.
allowed to do that?
I'll go back and number them later. And then
I found the panda.
another new one of our subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and a shout out to all of you. Alrighty. I'll have to go back and number them later. Okay. I'm gonna push down some of the signs I have. Okay. So my subscribe is right now done. I feel like that's enough, right?
Yeah, now maybe you could go down in the mines or.
Yeah, I'll go down in the mines. You know what? I feel like I need some armor because I feel like now you guys have armor. And
Yeah, I want you to come down into my cave because I do get kind of
Alrighty,
lonely
so
in
I
deep
guess
caves.
now we're gonna go mining with Sawyer. And
I'll go mining with you.
Okay, so
Where are you?
next, mining trip with Adelaide, me and Sawyer. Dun, dun, dun.
Wait, seriously though, where are you?
Look
Did
at the
somebody pick up
map.
my starter map?
I got a glimpse.
Somebody pick up my starter map?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Yeah, you have to come down.
I don't even have the map, period.
I gave you some water to jump to.
Where are you?
Are you guys good at droppers?
Is it the big one?
Watermelons.
Yeah.
And don't worry, I will not take the water when you come down. So then
is it that big cave that I found?
no, yeah, guys, do you see my name tag?
No.
Good job. Sephora, you left. No, Sephora, you have to come back to where Adelaide
I
was.
found it.
No, you didn't. Wait, this is the same cave.
You have torches,
Our
right?
base is next to.
Yeah, okay, I'm here.
Seriously, do you have torches? I cannot
Yes, I
see a
have.
thing.
Sawyer?
Yeah?
Where are you?
I'm right now where I could possibly die.
Ooh, water clutch, let's go.
Water clutch? I need my water.
Ow.
My gosh, guys, look how cool this cave is.
I know,
Shoot.
I've mined all the
No,
iron
creeper.
down here, sadly. But there's a whole entire cave to explore, so.
Wait,
I
Adelaide,
can't.
wait up.
I still can't see a thing.
What? I landed in water.
Can I please have some torches?
And my bed was obstructed.
I gotta get to the surface.
I
No,
found
no. Don't get to the surface.
Wazaru. I don't know. How's it pronounced?
Oh my gosh, these videos have turned into forever getting,
Death.
like, finding people's bodies and getting them.
Yeah, lapis lazuli. I
Alright,
found
so
some.
as
Why do we have to live so far away?
it's just where we decided to live. Plus, it's the tropics. We wanted to explore the new biomes. Okay.
Well, I
I'm
don't
gonna
know
go
where
back
I'm
to
going.
hut. I'm going to go back to our starter base and set spawn, and then I'm
Wait,
going
you're
to.
leaving? You're leaving already?
No, 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 dude! I'm just gonna go set spawn, and then I'm gonna go get Sawyer real fast, and then
Oh
I'm
yeah,
I'm
'cause he
gonna get
died.
on with the video.
Okay.
Ow! I'm gonna die again.
Stay still. Set spawn.
Can we still be on after the video ends?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Coal, I found coal.
Four? I'm stuck inside of a tree.
I
Oh,
didn't know that
thanks.
was possible.
Oh, wait. Never. Oh, wow. I found my way home.
Oh gosh. Okay, that took forever. Now, wow.
Alright, maybe we should stop saying how long it took, you know?
Yeah, it does take forever, and I just don't want to say more.
It sounds real sus.
Yes.
Oh my
Creepers,
god, there's a baby
stay
zombie near
away.
your guys' cave. I'm leaving.
Does
Weird,
Adios.
I'm
I'm going back
avoiding.
to hut.
My stuff, my stuff.
Because of the baby zombie?
Dude, you know how dangerous those things are?
I know they're creepy as hell, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, hey, golden apples back.
Stupid MLG trick never works.
Hey, you guys have Red Wolf?
I did.
Yeah, I
Red
need to
Bull?
buy that, man.
So, Adelaide, where are you?
In the
Oh, I see
cave.
your name tag.
Okay, I have it. I'm gonna go place it over the watermelons.
I stole your torches.
Oh,
Sorry, I just really needed them.
My
it's okay.
god, why are there... Die, zombies, die! Get away from my house!
And I am out. I found another part of the cave. Deeper part.
Do you guys have beds on you?
No.
No.
Oh god.
Oh wait, yes. Actually, I have 2 beds on me.
You two are asleep.
Okay.
Oh man, I want to keep running around in the caves.
Sawyer, I'm over here.
Yeah?
Okay.
I've
You guys
got
go
a
to
bed
bed,
for you.
so then in the morning I can come to you
Okay.
guys, and then... So in the morning, I'm gonna go mining with you guys.
You
And
have
then
to
I
find me
hope that we
first.
can find some diamonds.
Okay, get in bed, get in bed.
Also, I think we are going to
Oh, I am so dead right now.
be ending the video soon, and then we're just gonna I'm probably just gonna upload these 2 videos. So after we wake up, I'm going to end the videos.
No!
Where'd Niles go?
I'm right here.
Oh. No, I mean on the map.
Please get in bed.
Yeah. Go on, Sawyer.
I don't want to go to bed.
Yes. Come on,
You're like
Sawyer.
a child right now. I don't want to go to bed.
Just go to bed. It'll be over so soon. You won't even notice.
Well, you first have to find me. Because I don't know my way back.
Oh my god.
And do not teleport.
Sawyer, I've got a bed for you. Just come
What do
on.
you think? We've never teleported. What do you mean?
I know. But sometimes, in random games, you just do. Oh no, I'm hungry.
Okay.
Okay, I've got a ton of food and I've got a bed for you. Just come to me.
Well,
Look
so
on your
do
map,
I.
Sawyer.
I also.
Look on your map.
Alright, I'm just running away because I want to stay in the cave because I want to find diamonds.
We know you do.
Where?
But I can't find any.
Okay. Well, first off, we have to go to bed. Okay.
That's the easy part.
Not so easy.
Hey, you disturbed me in my sleep. Hey,
Just get in bed. Come on.
give me a second. I need to kill this. Okay, I killed the zombie. Now I can sleep.
I
Aww.
don't have a bed.
Go to Adelaide.
Check the chat.
How do you do that?
Well, on Xbox, you just press one button and it lets you type in exactly what you said before. And then you just press X. So, quite easy, actually.
I
So,
think
get
someone
in
gets it.
bed. Get in bed. Come on.
Fine. I'm back.
It's like a toddler. It's like a toddler.
But it's impossible, actually.
Is it even nighttime yet? Or
It
is
is
it even nighttime anymore?
It is still nighttime.
Oh, dang.
Come on,
Oh gosh,
Sawyer.
I did a lot of pleases.
Come on, Sawyer.
Okay, we get it.
I'm never stopping.
Until I see 3 people sleeping on my screen, I will stop.
Get in bed.
I think he gets it.
I
Does he
do,
though?
but I don't have a bed. You know that, right?
I'm
Okay, Adelaide, I have to be able to
deranged.
see my screen.
Oh my gosh.
Also, I'm being attacked right now by zombies and skeletons.
I can't do anything. No, 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 that's gonna push me into lava.
Please get in bed.
Give me a minute. I can't go to bed either right now. My God.
Why?
Stupid skelly. Dang it! Come back to the surface. Someone please help.
I can't. I'm down underground.
You can't help. Sawyer,
Okay, where are you?
I'm at hut.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm still underground, mining.
So am I.
Okay, where are you then?
I ran a different way. Wore my leather pants instead of my iron.
Right, give me a second.
Oh,
Oh
I
wait, I
see your
see you.
name tag.
Okay. This is your bed. That was before I get.
Give me a second. I have to grab all my stuff.
He's
I've died like 20 million
fighting.
times.
Are you going to get in bed, Sawyer? Or.
Yes.
Oh,
We're
there we go.
sleeping. Okay.
Finally! I didn't think it was possible.
Okay, now can you guys come back up to the surface? I'm about to end the video.
Okay, give me a few hundred hours.
But I want to find diamonds before.
Oh my God, that photo. Oh my God, that boat is haunted. Okay, so here's what's gonna be going on. After we end the video, we are going to find a few diamonds, but like I might add some clips on or something. I don't know. Like tonight, we're going to be looking for more diamonds or something. That should be Friday. That's Friday. I'm gonna grab a bunch of resources once we leave. Maybe we'll be like, I don't really like.
I either found diamonds or lapis lazuli. Nope, it's lapis.
Yeah. So on Friday we're gonna be. It's a huge mining trip. Friday's gonna be super exciting because it's gonna be a huge mining trip, and then we're gonna go.
Why can't we just
Fight,
do it in this video?
Oh no, ow.
And then we're gonna go fight the Elder Guardian. So we're gonna do those two things.
Let's see if I can get on Friday.
Yeah, on Friday. So we're gonna.
I
do
can't
those
get on.
things. But what, Sawyer?
I cannot get on Fridays. I
I
can
can
only get
invite
on
Atticus or
weekends.
someone else.
Okay. Yeah. We're gonna do
So
that.
as for you may be doing that all by yourself.
No, I'm not. If anything, I'll have Matt.
So do you have food, Adela?
Me?
Yeah.
Are you? Is that really a question? Are you serious?
Oh yes, may I have your 8
He
stacks
is
of
the
watermelon?
god of food.
May I have some food? Cookies!
Okay,
May I have some cookies?
Okay, so outside the hut is the death boat.
Thank you.
49 cookies just lying around.
How old are these cookies?
2 years, at the least.
Alright, that's perfect.
We need to make more jokes.
We should.
I swear.
So at the end of the video, we're all gonna make a joke or something. I don't know.
Okay, well, first I need to think of one.
All of us are gonna make one joke. Okay. So since it's the
Oh,
end of the
that one's
video,
a little
Adelaide, go
easy.
ahead and make the first joke.
I will.
Okay.
I am.
Go.
Yeah, you are. Let's go, bro.
Never mind, just goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ow.
Now, I'm the master of jokes, but I don't have one.
Yeah, same. I usually run off stuff.
And I don't have a joke either. I guess it's just like when we play Minecraft. My joke
Sorry,
is
guys, we don't need to do
my
jokes.
joke of the day is the death boat. Cause look at that boat. Go kill those
Death
mobs,
boat.
Sawyer. That's the death boat. You see that?
Where are you? Oh yeah, I see the
Sawyer,
hut.
you see that death boat?
Yeah, I don't want to live here anymore.
The death boat. The boat of Cain. Let's go kill
Are you
those
guys
mobs.
Where are you guys?
Trying to kill skellies and... Yay!
Oh, I see you.
Goodbye, the death boat. I think this was not...
It's not a death boat, it's a death of boat.
It's the death of boat.
It's gone.
Alright, so... You'll have a nice day. I think I will be making another video today. Alright, so...
But
Want to
cookies.
say anything?
Yes,
My iron.
goodbye, and hit the
Whoa.
like and subscribe button.
Okay.
Like and sub.
that's it.
Like and sub.
Please like and sub.
Spidey!
It's up to you though. Alright.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Peace. Or whatever.
We
Okay,
won't
you
force
can
you like
have
other
a
YouTubers.
rest